late for work.
Did you ask them to wash their hands?
Oh shit.
These peasants.
Can y'all?
She's looking good.
It's a he. Oh my god. I have to somehow fit my wheel boxes and 4 tires in the car. If it works, y'all can never talk shit about an Accord. It's technically a truck. I'm so late for work. I have no idea how this is gonna work. Alright. I fit everything in the cord. It was a little interesting, but let me show you. 3 tires in the back, in the trunk, all that junk in the trunk. Anyways. Then we got the 4 boxes, 1 tire, and lug nuts. Ka-ching. And I'll put this basket in there. Look at it, it's so cute. My detailing stuff, huh? Super cute. I'm gonna try and make everything blue, like different shades of blue, but yeah. I don't know what it is, but driving with like a bunch of parts behind you, it's just a really good feeling, okay? It really is. I don't know what it does, but it gives my heart a little bit of glitter. It makes it feel better. I don't know. But look at them. They're so cute just sitting there. Okay, I need to stop touching my phone while driving. This is bad.
The phone repair shop.
Did you ask them to wash their hands?
Oh shit.
These peasants.
Can y'all wash your hands before you touch my wheels? Gosh.
We're gonna get dirty.
Who's that?
Let me get my dirty hands.
You want me to do it? Damn, just coach me through it. I don't mind. I'm just scared of scratches.
I will do my best. And then you tighten it, and then that's it. If you want, you could do the other ones.
This is probably gonna give so many people anxiety. I'm close. I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking. Don't even worry. My eyes are closed.
She's stressing me out.
My eyes are closed. I'm not looking. Stop making fun of me. say?
She's looking good.
It's a he. Oh my
Oh,
god.
shit.
And it's 2021. You should have not assumed genders
You know
like
what?
that.
You're right.
Apologies.
I apologize. They're looking good.
No, it's a he.
Really good.
He already gave his pronouns. He, him.
Oh, he's okay.
Yeah. God,
He
dude, you
looks
keep
handsome.
messing up. Okay, now rears again. It's still at 20. Tell me when to stop.
Tell me when to go.
Keep going?
You're good on this side.
This side's a little tight.
It's like same.
It's still got 10 pounds to go.
10 pounds, go. Keep going. Go on my side.
Okay?
Out.
No. Tell me when to stop, Sam. Because I'm doing both slowly.
What's the PSI at?
7.
You're it out all the way?
I'll move that front a little bit because I don't know if it's
Wow,
Is it good?
Are you all the way out?
All the way out in 3, 2.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good on this one.
Damn, but it's so close.
Hey!
Ew. Wait, I'm gonna go get the other side. It's like a model. God damn. It's sitting lower over there though. Why is that? Let's go in.
Supposed to do with alignment stuff.
Oh. The front's not sitting bad either. We could probably. Ooh. Damn. Jesus. So that's my ride height? Fudge.
And then there'll be a fat gap here. It's weird. It's just,
Does it look weird, like sticking out like that while driving? Or is it fine?
It's fine.
It's fine? Oh. Oh, it looks better. I forgot. It's not in the air.
I've
There's.
been seeing a lot of
Oh, it's so cute.
newer track setups where
Thoughts?
Looks good.
Thoughts?
pretty good right there.
Was it good?
Perfect.
Needs more camber.
Man, whoever put on those tires though, I'm just kidding. We're just gonna go ahead and tighten down the little caps so I don't lose them. It's a funky ride height right now. It's just a drive home in Popple City. But
Yeah, exactly.
shout out to this fool. So this is me aired out on the passenger rear. Obviously, like I can still fit my nail like kind of right here. And then it's cold. And then on the driver's side, I can't even get my nail in there. So obviously there's a lot more stuff that needs to be done before it's perfect, but I'm also waiting on center caps. Those will be here, I believe, in January. And then, yeah. But anyways, we will also be adjusting the camber in the front so it kind of just looks more pleasing, obviously, to the eye. But other than that, like, fitment is not fully A1 yet. But it's getting there. At least the wheels are on finally. Also, the brake dust. Yeah, it's already happening. No! I hate it here. I already ceramic coated the wheels and stuff. But damn, this brake dust is just amazing. Caps are on there. It's kind of cold outside. But yeah, other than adjusting everything and making it look absolutely perfect, this is what we've got so far. And my broken lip. Can't forget that bad boy. But sheesh. I think he looks pretty cute.